Hey everybody, it's Will from Holdfast Marine, your local boat shop. I am so happy to have you all back with me again. And in today's video, we are going to learn how to roll and tip gel coat. For those of you expecting another one of those goofy 80s style intros, sadly I must disappoint you. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna get right into this video. Oh, you guys hear that? What is that? What the heck is that? Did you guys enjoy that that intro? But you guys didn't click on the video to watch Airwolf, you clicked on my video to learn how to roll and tip gel coat. So let's get right into it and not waste another minute with this talking BS. We're going to be gel coating this piece of MDO, medium density overlay. And we're going to be using our Total Boat Gel Coat Without Wax. We're going to be rolling this on with what Andy calls a cigar roller, but is actually just called a mini roller. And we're going to be tipping it out with this badger hair brush. You can get both of these things from totalboat.com. We're going to skip the mixing process of the gel coat because you guys should already know how to do that. If you don't, I have a video that explains how much MEKP to add to your gel coat and the formula that I use to get it correct. You can check that out after this video. The very first thing that I'm going to do here is put down some surface prep and de-waxer on this piece to clean it up. Make sure you're always wearing gloves when you're applying this stuff, and make sure you're wearing a respirator if you're spraying it or you're doing this in an enclosed area. My shop is extremely well ventilated, so I am not going to be wearing a mask. To accelerate the drying process, I highly recommend you invest into a hair dryer so that you can flash this off almost instantaneously. All right, everybody, it's day 2 in the shop. I had to stop filming the original video so that I could film a Mandalorian / Boba Fett video.
This is the way.
I decided late last night that I should do at least one piece showing you how to brush gel coat on. I have my 2 pieces ready to go. I have my gel coat all mixed up. You're going to want to have some type of a solvent or cleaner handy that you can put your brush right into after you're done doing this. So I'm actually just going to pour some of this on here. I know, but that's what I'm going to do. I'll pour a little bit on and then use my roller just to roll it out. Now you can see right off the bat how speckly that is. Now I'm going to take my badger hair brush and I'm just going to dip the very end of this into the gel coat. Then I'm going to come in here with the brush at an angle. I'm going to go ahead and brush all of that out. Okay. And then I'm going to go in this direction. You can see how much flatter that is now. For the brushing, I'm going to just do the same thing. Now, granted, this is going to soak right into this wood pretty quickly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all the excess off this brush as best I can, like that. And then I'm just going to very lightly, 2 hairs and some air, go across the whole thing. So let's take a look at the pieces that we've done. And you're going to see on this first piece right here that there is you can see some hairs from the roller. Now, to mitigate that, you're going to want to wrap that roller in tape and pull it off. I should have said that to you guys before. Sorry about that. Now let's take a look at the second piece we did, which was just the brushing. And, well, this is kind of my screw up. If you take a look at this piece, you can see that there are just tons of little air bubbles coming through. Those air bubbles are coming up through the wood itself. I should have surfaced that with some polyester resin beforehand. I want to make a quick note that you can absolutely gel coat right over the top of MDO, but you're going to want to scuff that surface up first with a maximum 100 grit sandpaper. Just like before, you're going to have to do build-ups. You're going to have to do a few layers of the gel coat without wax and then a finishing coat of the gel coat with wax so that then you have some surface to sand down. You are not going to get this in one shot of finishing gel coat. The next video that I'm going to put out is going to be how to wet sand and buff your finished gel coat. So until then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.